To get light ball in Royal Match. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make light ball or obtain light ball. First of all, open the application. So I'm in game. Now I'm going to show you how you can make a light ball. So first of all, you must have 5 series in order to make light ball. So as you can see in my screen, it is even giving me the suggestion here. If you have 5 any of these icons and if you join them, you can see a light ball has been created. So this is the light ball. So this is a very useful booster in the game. So it can even boost and even spread other boosters too. So try pairing up with other boosters to make it even powerful. Now swipe it or tap on it to use it. So as you can see, this has been used. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.